Bonhams E-type for auction later. I always think they look a bit odd because your track's very narrow. Funny little thing. Granada rear lights.
Oh yeah, lovely. They were in there.
It's got Mazda MX-5 rear wishbones. A few more cars in the auction. That's an interesting old wagon. Shake my head. Mini. Oh, look at that. That's a proper car, look. Yeah, nice. I think that's far better value than that Citroen DS convertible. I don't understand why they have such a premium. Alpine GTA. No reserve on this Wraith. Don't often have that kind of Vela interior either. Excalibur. Let's try and have a little model of them. That looks exactly like the wishbones out of my Chevy 3100 pickup, 1950s. I wonder if that's what they're based on. I'll take a video of it and edit it in later. That shape, that looks like a Corvette top ball joint. Well, you learn something every day. Yeah, it looks like it's Corvette running gear. I'll look at my C3 later. Quite a nice colour console. Obviously must have been a quick paint job at some point, and it's flaked off. Yeah, bottom half has been all painted in. See the joint there. This is quite interesting. Utopia, no reserve. Looks like V8 twin cam. Oh, look at that. That's where leather was leather. You can see that in there. Some seats need a bit of TLC. Very early sunbeam. Starts would have been a posh motor. That would have been, still is. Work on the door catch. Yeah, quite nice. Bentley. Just seeing how big the headlamps are. Chad don't believe me that those headlamps were Frenched in when they were new. It's had a lot of work on it. Interesting paint job. Blade Runner. Barbarella. James Dean. No, it's not James Dean. Oh, yeah, see, Bullet. Steve McQueen. What do you reckon? I could be mistaken. If you haven't got a V8, then paint one on. Yeah, nice. Even stole the cushions out of the pub. Nothing too special. I thought I'd just take a quick video of this one because it's a bit old. What do you reckon? 40,000? I think I'd rather buy that Excalibur or something else. Now this is a proper rare car. Two-door estate. Look at that. Bonnet isn't actually too bad. £4 bargain. Sorry for shoddy camera work, but you know, I'm just walking around. Okay, the jury's out on this one. Let's just say I think it's not to my taste. Chad thinks it's great. That's Chad. XRF missile carrier, Defender 130. Yeah, you can pause that and then read the info. Interesting. Expecting to find Rosie Lee in there with a crystal ball. And they just opened the gate, so I'm going to walk around, right, end the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.